getting ready for the surprise. Tonight is Emma's birthday, and I want to make the night special. She thinks we are only going out for dinner, but I have a small surprise for her. I put a little silver bracelet in a gift bag. Then, I check my phone. My friends, Jack, Mia, and Tom, are already sending messages. Everyone is excited. I stand in front of the mirror and smile. I wear my dark green blouse, black jeans, and my favorite jacket. I do not want to be late because I have the cake ticket in my bag. The bakery near the restaurant is keeping a small chocolate cake for us. My plan is simple. First, we meet at the restaurant. Then, after dinner, I bring the cake to the table. Emma loves chocolate cake, and I know she will be happy. I take a deep breath, turn off the light, and leave my apartment. A problem at the restaurant. When I arrive, my friends are waiting outside the restaurant. Emma hugs me and says, "I am so hungry." I smile and hide the gift bag behind my back. Jack is wearing a blue shirt, Mia has red lipstick, and Tom is taking photos of the streetlights. Everything feels perfect for 1 minute. Then the waiter comes to the door. He looks worried. He says there is a mistake with our booking. Our table is not ready, and we may wait for 1 hour. Emma looks sad, but she tries to laugh. I look at my phone and think fast. The cake is at a bakery 2 streets away, so we cannot go too far. Mia says there is a small Italian place near the park. Tom says he knows a jazz bar next to it. I decide we can still save the night. I tell everyone, "Come on, we will find a better place." Emma smiles again, and we start walking together. Music in the street. We walk toward the park, and the city feels alive. There are people in nice clothes, yellow lights in the windows, and music in the air. A young man is playing guitar on the corner. Emma stops and listens. She loves live music, so this is lucky. Jack gives the musician some coins, and we all clap. I check the bakery ticket in my purse. It is still there. Good. We pass the small Italian restaurant that Mia knows. It has red flowers outside and candles on the tables. A woman at the door says she has a table for 5, but only for 1 hour. That is enough for us. We sit near the window, and Emma says the place is beautiful. I feel happy because the night is not broken anymore. We order pizza, pasta, and lemonade. While we eat, Tom tells funny stories from work. Emma laughs a lot. I look at my friends and think the surprise can still happen. The birthday song. After dinner, I tell the group I need to make a quick call. Really, I run to the bakery. The chocolate cake is ready, with 4 small candles and Emma's name in white letters. I carry it carefully back to the street. My heart beats fast, but I am happy. We go to the jazz bar next door. It is small and warm, with red lights and a little stage. A woman is singing an old song. Tom asks if we can sing a birthday song later. The manager says yes. I feel nervous because I do not like singing in front of people. But this is for Emma. When the lights get soft, I bring the cake to the table. Everyone sings, and Emma covers her face with her hands. She is laughing and crying at the same time. Then, Jack gives me the microphone. My voice shakes at first, but my friends sing with me. Emma blows out the candles, and the whole bar claps. A perfect end to the night. Later, we leave the bar and buy ice cream from a small shop. It is late, but the city is still bright. We sit on a bench near the road. My feet are tired, and my face hurts from smiling. Emma says this is the best birthday night she can remember. I feel proud, but also a little surprised. The night did not go as planned, but it became better. I give Emma the small gift bag. She opens it slowly and sees the silver bracelet. She puts it on at once and hugs me. Thank you, Sophia, she says. You made this night perfect. I look at Jack, Mia, and Tom. They are laughing about the restaurant mistake now. A taxi stops near us, but no one wants to go home yet. We take one last photo under the streetlight. In the photo, we are tired, happy, and close together. I know I will remember this night for a long time.